Exciting! Ready to dance? When you hear a color, shout it out loud! Red shoes, red. Blue hat, blue. Green balloons go up, up to yellow sun, yellow. Purple kite, color dance party, shine so bright. Stamp your feet, 1, 2, 3. Show those red shoes, dance with me. Touch your head, tap, tap like that. Point to the sky for the blue hat. Red shoes, red. Blue hat, blue. Green balloons go up, up to yellow sun, yellow. Purple kite, arms up high. Big round moons, wiggle your fingers. Green, green balloons, spin around soft and slow. Face to the window for the yellow glow. Red, blue, green, jump in between. Yellow, purple, make a circle, clap 2 times, then freeze in place. Now color shout with a happy face. Red shoes.